In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a broker, Tradovate, to TradingView to place live trades. We'll walk through the exact path inside TradingView so you can link your Tradovate account and place orders directly from your charts. Before we start, remember that you'll be using your secure broker credentials, so keep them private and make sure you're on the official TradingView website. Begin by heading to tradingview.com. From the home page, navigate to the Products menu at the top. This is your gateway to TradingView's tools, including the chart where the broker connection lives. Open a chart if you're not already on one, because the connection happens from within the charting interface. Once the chart is open, look along the bottom panel and find the Trading panel. This is the dock where TradingView lists all available integrations. Click it to expand the broker connection options. Inside the panel, locate the Find Broker section. This search area helps you quickly pinpoint supported providers without scrolling through a long list. Type Tradovate in the search field. When you see Tradovate appear, select it to open the connection window. You'll be presented with a choice between account modes. Choose Live to connect your live trading account. Live means real orders and real fills, so double check you're selecting the correct mode before continuing. If you intended to test, you'd use Demo, but for this tutorial, we're choosing Live. Next, enter the username provided by your broker. This is the same login you use with Tradovate. Make sure there are no typos, and be mindful of capitalization if your broker requires it. Then enter your password in the password field. Treat this like any secure login. Avoid public networks and never share these details with anyone. When your credentials are in place, click Connect. TradingView will attempt to authenticate with Tradovate. Give it a moment. If the connection is successful, you'll see your broker status update, and typically, your account and order options become available right within the chart. From here, your buy, sell, and order ticket tools will route to Tradovate using live market conditions. If you encounter an error, carefully recheck your username and password, confirm that your account is enabled for live trading, and ensure your internet connection is stable. Also note that market data permissions and subscriptions can affect what you see on the chart, even after a successful connection. That's it. Once connected, you're ready to place live trades on TradingView through Tradovate. Trade responsibly, keep your credentials secure, and confirm your settings before sending any orders. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.